Hello everyone. So today we'll be taking Uttanasana, standing forward bend pose. For that, you need to stand into samasthiti. Join the legs together. Lift the kneecap up, lift the thigh up. And then roll the shoulders, open up the chest, and then drop the shoulders down. The trapezius area should be releasing. You are not shrinking it. You are not compressing that area. And then legs plays a big role. You need to bring that alertness. Just what happened here is you need to you're trying to push back the back of the knee, the calf muscle, the hamstring area, the back of the thigh. So push it back rather than going forward like this. No, open it. And then from there, you are looking at straight one line and then Urdhva Hastasana arms. Straight arms up towards the ceiling. Shoulders down, trapezius releasing. And then when you extend the arms, now look up to the ceiling. And with an exhalation, go down to half Uttanasana, Ardha Uttanasana. Just use your fingertips to the floor. Look forward rather than looking down or rather than looking to the foot. No, always avoid that. Always understand one thing. Whenever you are doing forward bends, you should elongate the spine. You should use your hip joints rather than using back. Use your hip joints to move forward and down. Move forward and down. Alright? That's important here. And then from there, you keep looking forward. Keep looking straight forward. Now I want you to make it a concave back. Concave back simply means this is your back right now. This is the position of the back. So I want you to curve back, arch that back right now. Arch this area. Try to arch more, straight arm, arch more, straight arm, arch more. Good. And then you keep taking your fingertips towards the back side. Keep taking it more back, more back, more back, more back. Still, the spine is in the same position. What you're doing here is, you are trying to bring that belly, you're trying to bring the chest more closer to the thighs, more closer to the knees. That's what you have to more focus. As I've said, use your hip joints. Do not use your back to go down. And then from there, go more. Keep taking the arms more back. Keep taking the arms more back. And then can you place your palms onto the floor? Can you place your palms onto the floor? Good. Kneecap lifted. Now what happens? When you are focusing to use your hip joints, when you are focusing to go down, you forget that you have to pull the knees. So keep remaining in that same positioning of the leg. And then with an exhalation, finally you are going down. Go more, go more, go more. And at last you are taking the head. Just stay. Take a small pause. Breathe. And then slowly inhale, head up. Extend your arms towards the front side. You can give a slight bend in the knee. Inhale, come up. Very good. I'll show you from the side. Turn. Your navel facing that side. Now, join the legs together. Inhale, Urdhva Hastasana. Watch carefully. Uttanasana, bend down. Can you see what she's doing? She's trying to move from the hip joints. This area. You need to move here, this, rather than this. Use this, not this, I repeat. And then take your fingertips onto the floor, Ardha Uttanasana. Now, I want this area to be go in, more in, straight arm, more in, concave back, look forward. And then start to take your fingertips towards the back side. Legs alert, kneecap lifted, kneecap lifted. You see, you forget that totally, but you need to bring that involvement of the legs. Legs alert. And then exhalation, take your palms more back. And then finally you're going down. And this is also very important. The sitting bones and the heel in a line. That's very important here. And then finally go down. Kneecap lifted, thighs lifted. And that inhalation, head up. Extended both arms forward. Inhalation, come up. Bend your knees. So what I want to give you people, especially those who are beginner, turn to the right side. What I wanted to give you here is a beginner variation. So what are you doing? You're separating the legs. Good. And how much you are separating? You are separating the outer hip. Okay? The outer hip and the outer knee should be in a line. So I'll ask her to take the foot slightly more in. Slight. You see, I want this positioning of the leg. For the beginners, this variation is very good and very effective. Extended arms, same thing follows here. Roll the shoulders, open chest, shoulder blades going in, kneecap lifted, thigh lifted, navel in, exhalation, go down. Bend forward. And then same positioning. And then try to take the head, go to the final position right away. Just stay. So this variation really helps you to go easily, because what happened when the legs are separated, the trunk easily descends. When the legs are together, it's challenging. So for a beginners, always start with the separated legs. For a practitioner, the one who's been practicing from long time, the one can go directly like this. And then inhalation, come up. And then just release. So this was Uttanasana, standing forward bend. I hope you've understood from this that how you have to perform Uttanasana next time. And trust me, if you're doing it like this, you'll find a good change in your Uttanasana, in your forward bends. So you must try it. And yes, do not forget to like, share and subscribe for upcoming new videos. Namaste.